Crypto Rocket here again. Today's video, I will teach you about AI Launchpad token that's doing giveaway airdrop. The AI Launchpad airdrop is an exciting opportunity to get your hands on free $4,000 AIPad tokens. This new airdrop is the latest and most legitimate way to earn free crypto. All you have to do is to follow the instructions that I will provide in this video in order to claim your AIPad token. The latest airdrop is an amazing chance to get hold of some free crypto and become one step closer to the financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? Let us dive into my screen so that I will show you how to participate in this wonderful free airdrop. But before then, I will explain to you what AI Launchpad is all about. AI Launchpad aims to speed up the development of fledgling projects by facilitating fundraising through decentralized method. The objective is to provide aid to cutting-edge initiatives led by a exceptional team that are working towards widespread acceptance. The objectives of AI Launchpad is to cultivate artificial intelligence projects towards successful and with widespread adoption within the blockchain industry. So I'll dive into my phone to show you the way to participate in this free airdrop. Let's go. Okay, welcome. I'll go direct to show you on how to participate in this AI Launchpad. You go to my Telegram group. I'll leave the link on my Telegram group. The link and the contract address on my Telegram group. So all you need to do is to go straight and click on the link up. Okay, you click here and you put your mail or you put your account, your Twitter username. Once you follow, you put your Twitter username and click login. Then the next one you follow is you follow at CryptoTech DAO on Twitter. Click on it and then go to follow. You click on follow, then you go back and click on your name again and continue the same way you did the other time. Then this one you will retweet. Then you click on this one now. Okay, and you retweet, and you go back again. Once you retweet, you go back again and put your username again and continue. Then the next one, you join AI Launchpad chat on Telegram. You click on it and you join it on Telegram. You join. Click continue. Then you join AI Launchpad 2 on Telegram. And also click continue. Join CryptoTech DAO on Telegram. And also click continue. Then submit your BSC wallet address. Okay, now you go straight to my Telegram group and you will see the BSC wallet address. You navigate straight to it. You copy the address here.
and go to Trust Wallet. Here is my Trust Wallet. So you click add token. You just type a random stuff here and click add custom token. Paste the contract address and you will see AI Launchpad, AIPad, and click done. Okay, now click on receive and copy the contract address and go straight and click on here and click on continue. Okay, now get 10 extra for anyone that enters. Now this one depend on what you like, on what you want to do. If you refer people, you also get a lot of more tokens that will be added to you. So you can copy it. You can copy it. Thanks for watching. If this kind of video is what you like, click on my subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and click on the like button. Follow me on my Twitter, follow me on my TikTok, and also follow me on my Telegram group so that you will be updated on all the airdrops or events that I'll be posting on the wonderful group. So thank you. See you on my next video.